Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make golden ratio logo design. The golden ratio logo design value is 1.618. You can divide this value when you are making golden ratio circles. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. Go to ellipse tool and make a circle with it. Convert into stroke and increase stroke size. Go to transform panel and put golden ratio value in it. Then press Alt plus Enter for copy. Make 5 circles with it. Size the circles with your design. I make a design on paper first. Now make a design with circles, watch carefully. Select all files and merge it with Shape Builder and delete extra parts. Now convert into fill. Put it on background. Give gradient colors in it. Make eye shape with pen tool. Now put text in it. I'm using Kid Cool Dragon font and Mermaid Swash Caps bold font, link in description. Here you go and download it. I'm using two colors in font. Create outlines, underline with background. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.